How to transfer data from iPhone to Android. For that, first of all, you have to make sure that your backup is turned on. To check that, first of all, launch your settings on your device. On the top, you will see a alert option, iPhone not backed up. If you see that, then tap on it and make sure that backup this iPhone is toggled on. Once you check that, all of your iPhone data are stored in iCloud and you can enable it whenever you want. The other step is storing data on Drive. You can simply store all of your data on the drive and you can access it by using your email ID and password. In this various step, you can easily transfer data or get data from iPhone to Android. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.